Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial by Shraddha Arya, and today I will teach you the night look. And as always, I have already done CTM or eye concealing on my face. So we will start from eye makeup. Let's begin. As you can see, I have done one eye makeup and I will show you for another one. For this, I am taking big blending brush and I am taking lavender kind of transition shade और हम उसको अपनी आईलिड पर ब्लेंड करेंगे. अगेन ट्रांजिशन शेड लेंगे, ब्लेंड करेंगे. Now I will take dark mauve shade with small smudge brush to give in liner effect. हम उसको स्मज ब्रश की हेल्प से ब्लेंड करेंगे. Now taking a small blending brush. Now I'm taking purple shimmer shade. And this eye makeup for the client who wear lavender kind of dress. Now I will take lash curler. You can see the difference. Now use your cleanser or wipe to clean under eye. So moving on, next up we have to do primer. This I am using Recode ka primer. For dry skin, you have to use oil-based primer. Now moving on, next step we have to do color correcting, and for this I have already made my correcting shade with D30 and D5. जो लोग नए हैं इस वीडियो में, जिन लोगों को नहीं पता कि मैंने ये शेड कैसे लिया है, कितना रेशियो लेना है और कलर करेक्टिंग क्या होती है, they can see our tutorial from the series. Now I am going to correct my contour indication, and first one is dark circle, and I am correcting it. I have pigmentation on my forehead and I'm correcting it. Now you can see I have pigmentation on upper lips area. Now it's time to blend it. And for this, I'm using PAC Kamini Beauty Blender. जस्ट क्रीज लाइन को ब्लर आउट करना है, प्रोडक्ट उठाना नहीं है. डैब डैब मूवमेंट में आपका डैम्ड ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर चलना चाहिए. Just dab dab movement, do not drag it. Now you can see I have one more contraindication left, and that is acne marks on my cheeks, and I will correct it. For this, I have already made my correcting shade with green color corrector and D5. Now wherever I observe the red marks, going to apply it. जस्ट प्लीज लाइंस को ब्लर आउट करना है. डू नॉट ड्रैग इट. प्रोडक्ट उठाना नहीं है, डैब डैब मूवमेंट में चलाना है. Now you can see here is a smooth canvas ready for your makeup application. And for this, I have already made my foundation shade with D4 and half and little amount of D5 in it. जिन लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि मैंने ये फाउंडेशन शेड क्यों लिया है, जो लोग नए हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, they can watch our foundation theory. You will get complete idea how to choose foundation according to skin tone. Now you can see I have applied foundation on my face. Now it's time to blend it. For this I am taking stripling brush. Dab dab movement में आपने brush को चलाना है. Because I have already converted cream based foundation into liquid. And for liquid product, you have to blend it in dab dab movement. Now take your big beauty blender ताकि excess product निकल जाए. लाइट मूवमेंट से डैब डैब मूवमेंट में आपने अपना ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर चलाना है. Now moving on, next step we have to do highlighting, and for this I am taking Forever 52 का highlighter with shade number C0V001. And where to apply highlighter? Top of the nose, under eye, chin, forehead. Again take your stripling brush to blend it. Now for under eye, use your mini beauty blender. Now moving on, next step we have to do powder locking, and for powder locking I am using Forever 52 का translucent powder with shade vanilla. Powder locking I am taking finger puff excess product, ऐसे ले लेंगे. And before locking, check your crease lines, then lock. Now I will do my under eye work before bronzing, and for this I am taking CVB का काजल pencil. Now I will smudge it with smudging brush. Now I will apply mascara to my lower lashes. Now you can see the difference. So moving on, next we have to do bronzing. For this I am taking contour brush. You can see, and I am giving little sharpness to my nose. Take your mini beauty blender. Now moving on next step, we have to do blusher, and for blusher I'm taking MAC ka blusher, and I will apply it with the help of powder brush. You can see ड्रैग नहीं करना है, डैप डैप मूवमेंट में द अमाउंट यू वांट टू टेक. Now moving on next step, we have to do highlighting, and for this I am taking PAC ka highlighter with highlighter brush. It's a night look. You can do highlighting as much. Means थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा compared to day makeup. Now moving on next step, we have to do lipper, and for this I am taking Recode ka lipper with number 6. Now I am adding one more color. Now you can see here is the complete look in front of you with every product details, and it's for night occasion. So if you love our work, then subscribe our channel, press the bell icon ताकि आपको upcoming videos के notifications मिलते रहें. Till then, bye bye, take care everybody, और मिलते हैं हमारे next tutorial में.